This is the unluckiest king crab in the world. The boss who bought it actually believed that as long as the crab legs were cut off, leave the crab body behind. Crab legs can grow repeatedly. In this way, one king crab can be eaten 10,000 times. 14 kilos extra large king crab, freshly caught from the deep sea. The chef cuts the legs off the crabs while they are still alive. The chef will be very careful during this process. Avoid damaging the crab's body. The boss explained that because of the unique body structure of crabs, as long as the body is intact, used his own secret method, can make crab legs grow back within 3 months. Hard king crab shell. The chef will cut it with scissors. Also add a lot of crispy powder. Heat cooking oil over high flame, then pour the crab meat directly into it. The hot oil temperature stimulates the delicious aroma inside the crab meat. It only takes a minute or two to quickly remove and control oil. At this time, pour a pot of hot oil onto the surface of the crab meat. Finally, put the fried crab meat into the sweet and sour sauce. Turn up the heat to maximum and stir-fry vigorously to enrich the color and flavor of crabs. Wait until the crabs are covered with sauce. Put it in a delicate ceramic container. The sweet and sour taste paired with the original flavor of crab. It's a taste that only top-notch gourmet food can have. If such a delicacy costs you 3 months' salary, would you be willing to pay for it?